Hello everybody and welcome back to Jessy Layer. So today we are going to be doing something completely different to what I usually do, and I have recently signed up to Glossybox. If you don't know what Glossybox is, it is a monthly subscription where you get a handful of beauty products which are worth a lot more than what you pay for. So for instance, the box that I have in front of me is actually worth £56 altogether, and I only paid £8 for it. So there's two ways that you can pay for the Glossybox. You can either do a rolling subscription, which is when you just pay for it when you want it, and that is about £10. Or you can do the 12-month subscription, which is what I opted for, where it comes to about £8. That is obviously excluding post and packaging as well. So I have had this box since Thursday and I'm so excited to open it. So let's open it up. Wow, this looks really nice. Okay, so the box that you get shipped to you is this one. And then inside that box is this beautiful pink one here. Let's have a look. Oh, this is really sweet. So, I love the way this is all packaged. So, we have this beautiful ribbon here and a sticker as well. And let's see what's inside. I haven't watched any spoiler videos or anything because I was quite late to the party. So we get the leaflet in here, which is the Sleep and Refresh. So this tells you all about the contents that we have in the box. So there are 5 different products that we have in here. It tells you all about them. So product number 1 is Strawberry Booster. It says here that it's made from upcycled seeds from the juice industry. This sustainable 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil is the secret to a softer and brighter complexion. Rich in antioxidants and omega-3 and 6, it is the perfect way of soothing, nourishing and hydrating dry skin. I am so excited to see what this product really looks like. Oh no, the lid just fell. Okay, so this is by a brand called BYBI. I don't know how you pronounce that, but there you go. So this is what the product looks like. Wow, that looks really nice. So in here we get 15 milliliters. Okay, it doesn't smell like strawberries as I was expecting it to. I don't know why I expected it to. But it doesn't smell like strawberries. It's got quite a nice smell to it though. Oh, that feels really nice. I'm excited to use this to help my skin because I suffer with quite dry skin anyway. So hopefully this sorts me out. I don't know why I keep smelling it. I like that. It's not too greasy either, because sometimes oil products can actually be a bit greasy on my skin, but that feels really nice. So I like this product a lot, and it comes in a really cute packaging box. Okay, so product number 2 is by Basic Beauty, which is these tweezers right here. And how did they know that I needed tweezers, honestly? Yeah, so we don't really need to read about what these tweezers do. But these are retailed at £15.50. So already you've broken even with buying the box, haven't you? And this serum here was retailed at £12 as well. I will link in the description where you can actually buy these products from if you just want to buy the product, because it does give you this information in the leaflet, which is really handy. But yeah, so these are just nice tweezers and we will have a look at what they look like. Ah, these are nice and cute. I like these. They're quite heavy duty as well. They're like metal ones. And they're just like spray painted pink, which is quite nice. I like them. Okay, so the next is by a brand called Model Co. And this is Clear Brow Gel. This is retailed at £14. And it says here, embrace a refreshing, no makeup look with this vegan and cruelty-free clear eyebrow gel. You can either use it to shape your brows and hold the hairs in place for a clean, polished look, or apply it over the brow, or apply it over an eyebrow pencil or powder to set the colour. This I'm excited to use because I have recently been filling in my eyebrows because I plucked them too thin. So this is what it looks like. Again, this is a full-size product and it's 0.5 milliliters. Let's see what it looks like. It doesn't really smell of anything. A lot of product comes off though. I can feel it on my hand. And it's quite tacky as well. This is exciting. I'm ready to use this. I will see what this is like. Okay, and the next product is, here we go, I was trying to find it. The next product is by Beauty Pro, which is a CBD oil infused mask. This is retailed for £5.95. It says here, even if you haven't had your full 8 hours, you'll still have glowing skin thanks to this biodegradable bamboo sheet mask infused with anti-inflammatory cannabidiol. It helps to restore, calm and soothe your complexion. So, this seems very interesting to use. I love the fact that it's biodegradable as well. So, and it smells like lavender. Well, it has lavender in it, so I'm assuming it will smell like lavender. And it's for all skin types as well, and it's anti-aging. So, that'll be quite nice to use, and it's all plant-based. And the last product here is by, I'm going to try and pronounce this because I don't know, Naube. I don't know if that's right or not. And this is the Detox Illuminating Micellar Water. And this is retailed for £10.30. And again, this is full size and you get 200 millilitres in this. So it says here, Detox Illuminating Micellar Water. Did you know that sleeping with makeup on can cause breakouts and premature aging? Oh no! I'm sure everybody knows that. Well, this illuminating micellar water will ensure that you continue to wake up with a fresh, youthful looking face. Formulated with protecting green tea and raspberry, toning lemon, soothing sage and hydrating aloe vera, it removes makeup while also caring for your skin, applying it onto a cotton pad and wipe over your complexion. Apparently I can't talk, so hopefully that made sense. You also get a naked bar with this. And I actually love naked bars, so there we go. And it's cocoa orange again. I love chocolate orange, so that's all nice and fun. You do also get some leaflets in with your Glossybox. So we got one for HelloFresh and a couple others. So for my first ever Glossybox, I was really impressed and I can't wait to do the rest of the year. My favourite product personally would probably be this micellar water. I am really excited to test this and see if it does take off my makeup a little bit easier than the wipes do. It'd be a lot easier for me if I did do that, and I would look into getting like reusable pads and stuff like that rather than using wipes every day. I also can't wait to use this strawberry serum. Hopefully this calms my dry skin that I get in the winter. On the back of this leaflet you do actually get a bit of a sneak peek at February. I don't want to know. I want to keep it a complete secret. So I'm not really going to look at this, but I love the whole concept that you can actually have a look and see if you want to maybe cancel next month, or if you're just on the rolling one you could just miss it out if you wanted to. But I'm excited to see what will come, so no spoilers from me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because you do not want to miss a thing. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!